How to fix WhatsApp couldn't download image on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp couldn't download image on Android phone. First, go to settings and now apps and then apps again, and here you will find WhatsApp. Click on it and then go to storage, this one here, and now clear cache, and then go to permissions and here we'll find storage. Click on it. Maybe you will find it like that, just allow it, and then if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points here and then settings. Now go to storage and data, and here we'll find this one. Wait, where is it? Photo upload quality, and make it data saver. And that's it, your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.